What if you could swap your entire body, gestures, posture, even your hands, into any character you want, and it still looks real? Not a filter, not a cheap overlay, but full-body motion cloning that actually works. This is Higgsfield Recast, the first AI tool that lets you become anyone, anywhere, in minutes. It tracks every micro-movement, gesture, and expression, and makes it look like you actually filmed it. The crazy part? No green screen, no camera crew, no VFX budget. Recast gives you over 30 high-quality character presets, instant background swaps, and even voice cloning or 6-language dubbing, all in one flow. You can literally transform into anyone and speak in any language with perfect lip sync. Higgsfield built what the AI video world said was impossible: full-body identity transfer that looks filmed, not faked. This isn't the future of content creation. It's happening right now. So let's jump in. I'll show you exactly how to use Higgsfield Recast and transform your videos with just one click.
Alright, so to start using the Higgsfield Recast, you need to navigate to higgsfield.ai. I've placed a direct link in the description and comments section for your convenience. Once you arrive on the site, you'll see a wide variety of AI tools. There are many AI tools made available here. Higgsfield is a powerful platform and is incredibly generous, offering many different models at a very affordable price. Today, we are going to focus on the Recast tool. To access it, I'll navigate to the Character menu on the sidebar and then click on Recast Studio. Now this is where the main process begins. First, I'm going to upload my source video. I have a very short clip that I'm going to use for this demonstration. I'll upload it, and then I will select a character. Let's start by uploading the video here. All right, the video is uploaded. Now I can browse through the available characters. There are many to choose from, and you also have the option to upload a custom character. This is useful if you have a specific person you want to swap into the video you just uploaded. For this demo, I'll go through the available preset characters. Okay, let's say I like this particular anime style character. I'll select it and click Continue. Next, you have the option to change the voice, or you can decide to keep the original audio from your source video. If you explore this section, you'll find a whole library of voices. You can even clone your own voice. You can also select from numerous AI voice actors. For this example, I'll change my voice to a female voice. I'm going to use Danielle right here. I'll select her and click Continue. Excellent. You can also change the language. I was speaking English in my original video, but I can translate it to Hindi, Italian, Russian, Portuguese, or many other languages. For now, I'm going to keep the language set to English. And of course, you can also change the background to something incredible, or you can apply a green screen. Using a green screen gives you much more power and control during post-production editing. I'm going to keep the settings as they are, and I'll hit Generate. As you can see, it has started generating. Let's give it a moment to process. Right, that's finished. Here is the result.
And hey, if this blows your mind even a little, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what kind of AI videos you'd make next. Let's dive in.
Okay, so I used a male source video with a female voice. That's a crazy combination. Now I'm going to create one more. I'll use the same video, but this time I'll use a different character and match the voice accordingly. Let's do that. I'll return to the Recast Studio and upload my source video once again. And this time I will select a different avatar. Let's say I want to look older. One day I'll get old, so there's nothing wrong with that. Now I'll select a voice. I want a male voice this time. I'll select this one, Carter. Okay, and I'll click Continue. For the language, I will select Italian.
Now for the background, I will change it. I think this cozy minimal option looks good, and I'll hit generate. Now let's wait for that to process.
Se questo ti ha lasciato anche solo un po' a bocca aperta, lascia un like, iscriviti e scrivi nei commenti che tipo di video su.
Do you see that? The character is sitting in the same chair that I was sitting on, but has been transported into the new background I selected. This is massive. Anyway, feel free to watch more videos created with this tool. Click the link in the description or comment section to start creating with Higgsfield Recast. See you in the next one.
Get down, loser!
What's this? What the hell? This thing can change body?
You know, Coach keeps saying I should focus more on grades. Funny thing is,